Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to forget Wi-Fi password on this Poco mobile. Before you continue this video, so let's start it now. First you have to click here in setting and here Wi-Fi. Here there this small you have to click, not this. You have to click here and rule. Here that forget network, have to click here forget network and your phones will stop connect. Just click here OK. Just OK, they are successfully automatically they will stop it. If you like the video, please and subscribe the channel, like the video and do not forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching this video.